Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we bring you the best tech tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today I am going to show you how to mark all your emails as read in Gmail. If you have a cluttered inbox with tons of unread emails, this tutorial will help you clean it quickly. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go gmail.com. Make sure you are logged into your Gmail account where you want to mark all emails as read. Once you are in your inbox, look at the top left corner and click on the checkbox to select all emails in the current phase. You will see the drop-down box to select all. Now with your email selected, click on three dots or more icon at the top of the screen, and from the drop-down menu, select Mark as Read. And that's it. Your inbox is now free of unread emails, making it much easier to manage. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Marking all your emails as read can really help declutter your inbox and make it more manageable. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.